Bienvenue à la chasse!
Hey! These are my new friends from Montreal. They just said, welcome to the hunt. So this X marks the spot. Thanks for joining me. Let's find some pretty rocks. Hey, welcome to the hunt. It's Friday. Hurricane Hilary is storming up the coast and everyone's freaking out. And I'm just hoping that the hurricane takes out some of the sand so there's more rocks and treasure to find. So, well, I'll see what we can find today. Got a short hunt, so I'll see you when we find something pretty. Thanks for coming along. Oh, looks like you got a swirl of quartz and epidote or algae. That's kind of cool. That's a pretty rock. Yeah, that might make a cool pendant. Kind of this caramel thing going across it. That's cool. Banded rhyolite, but kind of got a chalcedony feel to it, so yeah, I'll take a look at that. Like that. A little triangle line in there, that's kind of cool. Oh, that's a nice one. It's opaque, but it's got some nice plumes running through it. And that has the sheen like it might be blue chalcedony. So we'll both go in the bag. Interesting shape, like an arrowhead. Wow, that's a pretty chert with some color to it. Got it. I don't know. More like chert with bands. That's got a cool little purple rock. Where's that go? Where's that purple rock? Look at the spots on that. That's kind of cool. Like a purple jasper with black spots. Like a purple Dalmatian. Is that a dolomite? Never seen one that color. That's a cool rock. Alright. We only got a little time because today is Fried Chicken Friday and I gotta leave a little early to go pick up some chicken wings. I like that. Oh, there's some more. I'm stocking up on the white because woo, look at that. Because I have my son's girlfriend is using them for her centerpieces for the American Cancer Society functions, and so I gotta find a bunch of cute little rocks that she can use as centerpieces, knowing that they might not come back to me, but that's okay. It goes to a good cause. So we are gonna. That's interesting. It's got a little quartz spot on there, but it looks just like sandstone or rhyolite. I don't know. Take it. Oh, scrambled egg agate. I like this. Really cute. You got some amphiboles in there. Got some. That's a cool one. Tide's coming up, so I'm doing the lower half now, and on the way back I'll do the upper half when they get a little wet. So that's a cool process now. Fish are nice. Fish are so small, it's hard to tell. Ooh. Ooh, it's a full-on egg. Oh, that's a cool rock. Look at that. Looks like a planet. Very cool. That's the keeper. Nice jasper with a cool quartz line running across. A red wash stone. That's cool. That's pretty. I like that. That'd make a cool cabochon. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's pretty. That's a creamy color. Interesting. Oh, that's really colorful. Almost like leopard skin or ink blots or something. Even wash this off a little bit. There we go, that's a nice one. I think it even has some adventure in it. Sweet. Alright, that's going to do it for the filming because I got to move quickly and get back so I don't miss Fried Chicken Friday. I will see you at home when I do the wrap up. Alright, let's see what we got. This might be the winner because let's see, there, can you catch it? There's aventurine in there. Look at that sparkle. Nice blue, black agate, some nice aventurine sheen to it, a little bit of feldspar freckle, so that's a definite winner. My wife keeps interrupting, but you know, I'm not complaining because at least she's excited a little bit about my rocks now. She started looking for herself. That's a kind of cool, I think that's a royal jasper. You can see the spots there. I haven't found one with like the big egg ones, so, but they're still pretty cool. That one's kind of a yellow green. That's clearly chalcedony and rhyolite or something running through there. Almost looks like petrified wood, but the band's running all the way around. Quartz running through it. Got a couple of these, what I call scrambled egg agates. Definitely chalcedony with some sort of yellow poppy-like looking corner. It's a cute little one. That might shape into a nice one. It's got some blooms running through it. Some chert. What else we got? Like an interesting mix of matrix. Maybe that might. That's a big one. Got some tourmaline crystals and some feldspar freckles running through there. It's got a big crack though, so I have to reshape that. It's kind of a milky quartz. That's pretty. Ooh, yeah. Got a whole oyster there. It's kind of cracked there with the rock filled in, but there might be something in there. That'll be fun cutting open. Some pretty chert with some red lines running through it. It's like a tooth. Oh, that's a pretty one. That's cracked though. Oh, there's a nice one. That'll make a nice pendant. That's almost ready. Just throw that in the tumbler. And my ink blot Rorschach test. Another cute little chert. Not a whole lot, but Hurricane Hillary's coming, so maybe by next week there'll be a whole lot more rocks to look through. So, all right, that's it for this week. Thanks for tuning in. Try to get this Sunday up. Thanks to my Canadian friends for doing my intro, and I'll see you guys in the next hunt. This X marks the spot.